Hello, dear professor. This is my makeup assignment about the winner's article discuss second language acquisition and its practical implications for teaching. The introduction about this article. First of all, the author, Deborah Duveners, provides insights for L2 teachers, summarizes research in second language acquisition, the goal, to bridge theory and practice for effective teaching. Some key theoretical points in this article: linguistic factors play a crucial role in language teaching. The exposure, the importance of comprehensible input will depend on the level that we are teaching, and we need to consider this exposure in our classroom. The output. By the other hand, language production as a learning process needs to be analyzed for every class in order for the students to have also this output in speaking and writing. The interaction, combining these two parts about the input and output through activities in pairs or groups. Also, the lexis, in this case, the vocabulary, will be to explicit vocabulary learning, and repeated exposure will help learners to learn new words and be exposed to this new and rich vocabulary in each class. The repetition, we need to consider the importance for fluency, practicing the phonemes and the pronunciation, which it's going to help us in each class, the students to comprehend each word and also how to apply them within sentences, improving their pronunciation. We also need to consider, according to the author, some extra linguistic factors which are going to help the learning process. In this case, the attitudes, positive attitudes enhance learning. So the teacher needs to be super positive when he or she is teaching. The motivation, also the effort, desire, and emotional investment of the student and also the teacher will influence the class, the culture. Cultural competence improves communication. If we are culturally savvy, we can't overcome these barriers that can challenge our classes. Also, the teaching experience, understanding learners' emotions and creating a positive environment will help the student get this input or output that we are putting the effort to create in our lessons for the students to use it in the future. So the teacher experience is really useful in this scenario, according to the author. Also, practical checklists for teachers. Within the article, we can find this checklist that we can use for our classes. In this article, basically, Deborah is providing some practical suggestions. First of all, maximizing exposure. Provide abundant target language input. But we have also to consider to encourage output. So here we need to incorporate speaking and writing activities. Foster interaction. We need to consider pair work, but also group work to promote communication. Vocabulary development. Teach strategies for vocabulary retention. Not just isolated words, but also we can focus in this part in the phonemes, the pronunciation within sentences, so the students will learn to pronounce correctly in every single class and will learn new vocabulary. And also we need to promote repetition. We need to consider recycling new words. We need to consider recycling the knowledge that we previously have taught. So we have to integrate meaningful repetition. And in conclusion, Deborah Duvener's article provides valuable insights for teachers. The impact offers practical ways to integrate theory and the applications. Teachers can use the checklist that we were talking before to enhance the L2 teaching. Thank you so much. This has been my presentation.